Hey Doug, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I got your email. No problem. I will take a look at AMC Theatres for you. AMC Entertainment Holdings, AMC is the ticker. It's something that I've looked at before and certainly don't mind taking a quick look at it for you. Let's just get it started here. Basically incepted back in late 2013, had some upward movement and then a very large ABC pullback that lasted several years. Obviously, everything changed at the start of 2021 for this guy. It became a pretty popular stock online, the short squeeze, all that other stuff, and it exploded to the upside, moving from below 5 all the way up above 70 before about halving that now and giving us some back and forth movement. Obviously, whatever happened off the 2015-2016 high completed to the downside and something new to the upside happened. So we need to figure out what this is. Is this trendy upside movement? What is it? Let's go ahead and take a look. To me, it certainly looks like it has the potential to be trendy upside movement. This is something I talked about last time I looked at it. The concern for me is I don't know how truthful the Elliott Wave theory is going to be in a stock that is so widely manipulated or however you want to call it. Obviously, there's a lot of external factors with this guy. Makes it tougher for me to trust. That said, there appear to be some clean Elliott Wave patterns. You see a very sharp up move here that looks like wave 1. Second wave pullback, and then we have a sharp 5-wave move again, another counter trend pullback, another trendy 5-wave move here, and then what looks like counter trend downside movement basically since June. Obviously, this has been a larger pullback that's taken some time, but overall, we're getting trendy up legs and counter trend down legs. Seems bullish overall. It looks to me like it's in the third wave still of the advance that started at the beginning of the year. So I think that's the way you have to play it. So far, this counter trend pullback that's played out off of June's high has retraced right around 61.8% of this up leg. So I think the question we have to ask is this counter trend pullback that started in June over? So let's go ahead and zoom in and take a look at this price action here. So here is that pullback, and I think one of the things I like about AMC, despite all the other stuff, all the external factors that I don't like, what I do like is the counter trend look of this pullback off of June's high. This very initial down leg, A, B, C, very much looks like a counter trend move to me. Off of July's low, we got another A, B, C, B wave, and then we have this down leg that's happened here. It's possible that this is the C wave, and so we're completing an A, B, C pullback that truncated. Can't guarantee that it has by any means, but it's possible, and we'll take a little closer look at that now. So let's go ahead and zoom in and just look at this recent price action here. You can see that it took a 5-wave move. It did not set a new low. As indicated, it would be a truncated low if that completed this big pullback off of June's high, but it's possible. But here's how we'll know for sure. If there is a low in on AMC, again, to this big counter trend pullback off of June's high, AMC will stay above 36 at all times. If it moves below 36 at any point, we will know that a low is not in. The possibility that a low is in would increase with the move above 45.50. Obviously, that's pretty far away. In the same token, this guy moves fast. Wouldn't be surprised to see it broken in a week if that happens. But overall, I think as long as you kind of see this price action stay within this range and not break down in any major way, it's going to look like a fourth wave to me. If it stays above 36, it'll have the potential to continue higher from there, and it could be a buying opportunity. For me, I want to see trendy upside movement for it to be a good buying opportunity. Anything else, we're just guessing at it. If we get trendy upside movement and additional strength here, it can be bought as a fifth wave advance here within that larger third wave advance, and it can be bullish. But if it moves much below where it's already put in those lows in August, I'd be more concerned and think maybe it's not the cleanest pattern. Maybe it's something that we can't really trust. But if it is able to stay above those lows and in the immediate term stay above 36, it would look like a buying opportunity to me that would be bolstered with a move above 45.50. So hope that's helpful, Doug. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we will talk to you again next time. Take care.